Imagine a massive structure rising from the middle of a desert. From the outside, it looks like just another industrial building, but what's happening inside this place is quietly changing the speed of the entire world. We're talking about Tesla's largest factory, Giga Texas. At first glance, it's just concrete and steel, but inside, this is not a normal assembly plant. This is Elon Musk's vision turned into reality. Cars aren't just assembled here. The future of manufacturing is being created here. From the Cybertruck to the Model Y, vehicles roll out at an unbelievable pace, one car every 40 seconds. And this is only possible because hundreds of robots work non-stop, 24 hours a day, without breaks, without fatigue. The most surprising part? This factory almost runs by itself. Sensors, software, and AI manage everything, from production speed to quality checks. Musk calls it the future of manufacturing. And when you see satellite images of this place, it honestly feels like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Tesla is no longer just a car company. It's becoming a technology storm. So let's step inside Giga Texas and understand what's being built here and why it could reshape the entire auto industry. Before we go deeper, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because if you want to stay ahead in technology, this is where the future is explained first. When we buy a car, we usually focus on design, features, and range, but very few people ask how and where these cars are made. Inside Giga Texas, the view feels unreal. You see fewer humans and more machines, intelligent machines that work day and night without stopping. One of the biggest strengths of this factory is something called the Giga Press. The name itself sounds powerful, and it truly is. This machine applies 10,000 tons of pressure. To put that into perspective, it's like the weight of 2,000 elephants pressing at once. Earlier, building a car frame required dozens of parts and welding steps. Now, a single gigapress creates massive structural components in one shot, faster, stronger, and cleaner. Next comes the robotic arms. Long mechanical hands move with extreme precision. They never get tired, they don't make random errors, and they work far faster than humans. Lifting parts, welding joints, painting surfaces, everything happens smoothly. And the smartest part? These machines learn. If an error happens once, the system corrects itself automatically next time. Humans are still here, but mostly as supervisors. They analyze data, monitor systems, and handle tasks that need ultra-fine control. And every day, the factory moves closer to full automation. What truly sets Giga Texas apart is that it never sleeps. No traditional shifts, no bells, no shutdowns. If a machine shows any issue, sensors detect it instantly. Alerts are sent, backup systems activate. You could call it a self-healing factory. Every movement, every component, every second is recorded as data. That's why Tesla vehicles maintain such high consistency and reliability. Inside the plant, you'll also see AGVS, Automated Guided Vehicles. These small robots move materials across the factory without any human driver. They navigate, stop, turn, and even manage traffic on their own. This is not just automation. This is orchestration. Near the Colorado River in Austin, Texas, stands this massive box-shaped structure. It doesn't look fancy until you realize what it is. This is Giga Texas, so large that 15 football fields could fit inside it. Tesla didn't open this factory quietly. Elon Musk launched it with an event called Cyber Rodeo. Lights, music, Cybertrucks, and thousands of people watching. The entire world took notice. But why build something this big? Because Musk isn't just making cars, he's building a scalable system. Like smartphones, but for vehicles. His goal is simple but bold. Make electric cars fast, affordable, and mass-produced. That's why Giga Texas exists, to become the fastest and smartest factory on Earth. Musk calls it the machine that builds the machine, and today it's doing exactly that. So what vehicles are born here? First, the Model Y, Tesla's best-selling SUV. Built using Giga Press technology, it offers stronger build quality and faster production. Then comes the vehicle that shocked the world, the Cybertruck. Its stainless steel body and sharp design required a completely new manufacturing process, built right here in Giga Texas. Tesla's semi-truck is also being prepared here, aiming to electrify long-distance logistics. And in the future, Musk's most ambitious project, Tesla's affordable Model 2, is expected to roll out from this very factory. But the real hero behind all these vehicles is the 4680 battery cell. This next-generation battery offers higher energy density, faster charging, longer lifespan, lower production cost. By producing these batteries in-house, Tesla reduces costs and increases performance, a dangerous combination for competitors. Giga Texas aims to produce up to 2 million vehicles per year. That's not just scale, that's industry disruption. Legacy automakers like Ford, GM, Toyota, and Volkswagen are now forced to rethink their strategies. Not because Tesla makes electric cars, but because Tesla redefined manufacturing itself. Cars here don't just run on electricity, they run on data. And this factory is the command center. Unlike traditional factories filled with smoke and noise, Giga Texas is designed for sustainability. Solar panels power large sections of the plant. Water recycling systems reduce waste. Green spaces surround the facility. This factory proves that technology and nature don't have to fight each other. Even during global shutdowns, construction never stopped. Safety systems, automation, and planning kept everything moving. Because when the vision is big, obstacles become small. And finally, Giga Texas is no longer just making cars, it's also shaping robots. Inside this factory, Tesla is testing Optimus, a humanoid robot designed to assist humans in factories and one day, homes. Optimus is learning to walk, balance, lift objects, and make decisions. Not in a lab, but in a real production environment. Musk believes robots will soon become as common as smartphones. And when that future arrives, people will remember where it started. So the next time you see a Tesla on the road, don't just think of it as an electric car. Think of it as a product of a revolution, born in the desert, inside a factory called Giga Texas. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you want a Tesla robot in your home? Until next time, stay connected with technology and the future.